Want to scan documents on iPhone? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can do that. First of all, you want to open the Notes app. Now open up a new Notes. Now you want to tap on this attachment icon at the bottom of your screen. Select that. Here you will find different options. Find the one that says Scan Documents and select that. Now you want to position the document in view, and as you can see, it has been captured. Now you can select a second one as well. Once that is done, tap on this Save option at the bottom of your screen. And here, as you can see, your scanned documents are ready. If you want to share these, you can tap on the Share icon at the top of your screen. Now you can either share this directly or attach it in your email, and in this way you can easily scan documents on iPhone. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.